Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Ever wonder how that THC percentage on your cannabis label is actually figured out? It's not a guess, it's a precise scientific process that ensures you know the potency of what you're buying. To understand it, you first need to know that cannabis plants don't actually contain much THC directly. Instead, they're full of something called THCA, which is the non-psychoactive, acidic precursor. When you apply heat, like from a lighter or a vaporizer, that THCA converts into the THC that gives you the high. So, labs have to measure both to give you an accurate picture of the product's potential. The gold standard method they use is called High-Performance Liquid Chromatography, or HPLC for short. Think of it as a super advanced sorting machine for molecules. First, a lab technician takes a small, representative sample of the weed, grinds it into a fine powder, and mixes it with a solvent. This dissolves all the important compounds, like cannabinoids and terpenes, creating a liquid extract. This liquid is then injected into the HPLC machine. Inside, the extract is pushed under high pressure through a special tube called a column. This column is packed with material that causes different molecules to travel at different speeds. It's like a molecular race. The heavier or stickier molecules move slower, while lighter ones move faster. This separates everything cleanly. At the end of the column, a detector, usually using UV light, sees each compound as it exits. It creates a chart with a series of peaks. Each cannabinoid, like THCA, THC, and CBD, has its own unique peak. The size of the peak tells the lab exactly how much of that compound is in the sample. To get the final total THC number you see on the package, they use a simple formula. They take the amount of THC already present and add it to the amount of THCA, but they multiply the THCA value by 0.877 first. This conversion factor accounts for the weight lost when THCA turns into THC during the heating process. So, the final calculation is total THC equals THCA 0.877 plus THC. This gives you the maximum potential THC you can get from that product once it's heated. This precise measurement is crucial. It gives consumers confidence, helps producers maintain quality, and keeps everything compliant with state laws. It's a little bit of chemistry that makes the modern cannabis industry possible. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something new today, hit that like button, and be sure to subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the world of cannabis science. See you in the next one.